Hey guys, how's it going? This is an introductory video to a very long series, about 10 to 12 hours, that document our efforts in getting the Film Aficionado website to run in a VM. And the purpose of this is for people that want to run a copy of the site on their own desktop. They would be able to follow these instructions. And if things have not changed too much in terms of packages and compatibilities and so forth, they should be able to achieve the same results that we did. And if things did change, then perhaps the extra hours in these videos will help you through solving those problems, because we did run into a few of those. And obviously, the other purpose of the video is if somebody wants to download all the files, rent a server someplace, and run a clone of Film Aficionado, they would be able to. And if they want to improve on that clone or make something totally different, they would be able to use what we have put out as public domain now as a starting point. So what you get is, if you follow the instructions and you're able to boot the site, is a local copy of the website as it used to be when it went down. All the collections and everything is here. The site works the same. You can go to your collections, everything is going to be there. The different types of functionality should be working, and all of that should be just as it used to be, with a couple of differences. We had to remove, there are a couple of fields in the database that have email addresses, that have usernames, and have password hashes. And because we're making that data available to all, we blanked out those fields. So when you log in, you just put in whatever username you want to use. You just use their ID, and the password is not required. You can put any gibberish you want here. And because this is your copy, nobody else is going to be using it, right? So you just log in, and it trusts you that you say who you say you are, and then you're able to do whatever. You probably will use at least a couple of IDs, one being the ID under which your collection is, and the other is a moderator ID, because obviously, since this is your own copy and the outside world does not see it, there will be no titles, no new titles that are automatically added. So you would have to add them manually, unless, of course, somebody takes all of this, rents a server someplace, and makes the site available to everyone as it once was. Okay. Where are we in that process? Yeah. So we're looking for a place to put all the files for the website. It's about 160 to 170 gigabytes. And we posted a notice on our Facebook page asking if anyone is able to host that for a period of 6 months to a year. Hopefully, after that period of time, whoever is interested will have downloaded it. If somebody is interested in making this available long term, they'll make arrangements, right? Our proposition is just to get it out there. We also made the code available in GitHub. So this 160 to 170, these are the pictures. It's about, I don't know how many archives, like 20, 30 files, like big files. And then we create a GitHub repository which has the installation notes. It has some sample configuration files, as well as the scripts that you're going to need to maintain the site. It has the code for the two PHP extensions. One is in C and the other is in C++. You're going to need those extensions compiled with PHP. And we go over that in the very long series of videos that are coming up. And the website itself, which is, the regular PHP and HTML and JavaScript type things that websites have. We are also prepping the database to be released. We'll try to make the collections available in some form, which would be just plain text files. So that is a little bit of a challenge because there are about 15 million entries. So that's it. We'll provide an update as soon as some of these other items are addressed. Catch you guys later. Bye.